Want to do a room tour? It's a brand new room. We never stayed here before. We are at the Hilton Doubletree, or sorry, how does it go? It goes, it's the Doubletree by Hilton at the entrance to Universal Orlando. Hello. This hotel is pet friendly. Yes, there is even a dog run. Super excited for that. Fees will apply for pets. We'll put that up on the screen right now. No fees if you're a service dog. And we'll go over where that dog run is later on in the resort video. So if you have not already, please subscribe so you don't miss out. And then we are gonna give the room tour. This is a standard with a universal view. So let's check it out. Over here to the left, got the bathroom with very, very large counter space. I like it. Look at this, fantastic. Tissues over here, big, nice mirror, well lit, lovely. Sink, soap, which I already broke into because I needed to wash my hands right when I got into the room. So apologies, I usually keep that fresh when we're doing the room tour, but this time I had to wash my hands. Gotta have clean hands. All right, moving along, we've got a body lotion over here on the wall, some cool artwork, and then what looks to be a very nice tub. Looks very comfortable, single shower, and all of your bath products that you might need by Crabtree and Evelyn. Or is it just Crabtree now? No, Crabtree and Evelyn. Okay, first time seeing these in a hotel, Crabtree and Evelyn. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And then behind the door here, all of your towels and your hair dryer, additional paper products if needed. Excellent. There's also a little hook up here on the door. Moving along, over there would be the lock off if you needed a connecting room. We just have the one room, so we're not going to be using that. And then moving into the main room, you've got a nice full-length mirror here on the wall. Lovely. Television. Fancy. Lots of storage, 4 big drawers, and the fridge. Check this out. Very deep 4 drawers, so you can unpack. And then the fridge is over here. All nice. We've already loaded it. Yeah, we loaded it with stuff. That's gonna work out. But no, I know the treats are in there, but not right now. We're doing a room tour. Okay. Coffee maker and things are here. We do have our 2 free water bottles for being Hilton Silver. These are free, so that's cool. Refreshing and free upon arrival. There's also some cookies downstairs, we heard. There's free warm chocolate chip cookies, so we're gonna have to investigate that, see what's up. Another mirror right here, awesome. Cool little desk light with some plugs for charging, excellent. Nice little lounge over here, a chaise, if you will. Looks comfortable, very fancy. And I will say, Bell Services, 10 out of 10. They not only helped us with our bags, but they also filled our ice bucket. Come on, that's just awesome. It's a hot day, we need a cool beverage. Now we have ice, we're all set. Going over here to the bed, it is a king size bed, and it looks fantastic. I cannot wait to get in there. That is gonna be good after a long day traveling from Disney over to here and doing a bunch of stuff in the parks all day. This is gonna be sweet. We do have additional outlets over here on each side for your charging purposes, regular and USB. Same over here on the other side, but the phone is plugged in, so there you go, right there. Remote control for the room, things you might need to scan here. This is a non-smoking property. Temperature controls here on the wall, and then this is the closet, which is also quite large. Pretty fantastic. Little shelf up there for storage. Our dining board and steamer, luggage rack, safe, hangers, looking good. This room is pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of impressed. We've never stayed here before. It's quite nice. Let's go check the view, shall we? I think we shall. Okay, close the closet here. There we go. All right, let's come out here. See what we got. Our universal view. Oh, we just have to look this way. There we go. So we're kind of in the middle. Yeah. You can see all of the things over there. See if I can, oops, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, very nice. Might see some Harry Potter fireworks later. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I think this is going to be great. Yeah, it's going to be great. What do you think? You like it? I think it's going to be good. All right, stay tuned for the resort tour, and thanks for watching.